I think a lot of people think social media is easy because anyway, it's free. People assume it is free. It's just going onto the internet and expressing yourself. But people forget it is not about expressing yourself. It is communicating to the needs of the people who will watch you.
Simon says.
Simon says.
Simon says.
Simon says.
Simon says.
It's the Simon Says podcast.
I never asked you this. How in the world did you find my content? Like, how in the world? How did you come across me?
I saw you on Instagram.
What did you say?
I just saw it on Instagram and then I checked out your page. I think after I saw the first one, I checked out your page. And then after that, spent like another almost 20 minutes just checking out your page.
What stood out for you? What was so interesting? Was it the madness?
It was the way you communicate and the way you understand what social media is about. I think a lot of people think social media is easy because anyway, it's free. People assume it is free. It's just going onto the internet and expressing yourself. But people forget it is not about expressing yourself. It is communicating to the needs of the people who will watch you. It's not about you. So if you put out content that's about you, I like collecting coins, chances are maybe there's 3 people that we are not interested in. So what if you like? And that's the thing, even a lot of times I tell people, even on social media, I don't talk about I prefer, I think you should do. It's not about you. It is about the people who are coming to watch.
That's true.
And so I could see you understand what social media is about, that your content is well planned, it's well scripted, and it's very funny. Especially, there are some things I wouldn't say, but anyway.
But with one T.
Exactly, that's what. but it's done very well. And that's the thing about social media. You need to understand that the people you're communicating to have maybe 2-3 phones. They have TV, they have options, so they can quickly switch you off if you're boring.
I know that's true.
Yeah. So, but you understand your audience, and even especially young people that we have now, their attention span is very short. Like 15 minutes, people are bored. Yes, let's move on. So you have to really understand how to communicate on social media.
It's the Simon Says podcast.